remember how I felt. They told me that there was a dog living on a roof and that she was so desperate. She was so tired of living alone, exposed to the elements, that she just jumped to her death from a third-story building. Luckily for her, she didn't die, but she was left with 2 broken legs. They took her back to the roof and they left her there. It took weeks until that family took her to the vet and told them to euthanize the dog. The vet refused to do that, and instead they called us and asked us for help. That's the beginning of the story of Bonita. Beautiful dog, but a dog that lived in complete isolation and being abused for all her life. This poor dog was desperately trying to have some human connection, and in the end she got nothing in return, until she finally, she just jumped looking for freedom. So she arrived to the hospital with 2 broken legs. We knew it was going to be a very difficult case because she was so aggressive. I mean, for weeks she had been left without any care or any attention. So every time somebody tried to touch her, it would hurt her so much. So we knew it was going to be an issue. It took us weeks until we finally reduced the infection in those injuries and operated her. You all remember Bonita's case. You remember her beautiful face. That's why we call her Bonita. But you also knew that she came with a baggage and that it was going to be difficult. So 2 or 3 surgeries afterwards, she recovered, and that went very well. And the challenge was to find her the right home. And just about last year, for about these dates, it was around Christmas, we took her home. She met her beautiful family. The reception was just amazing, not only for Bonita, but also for us. They fed us, they treated us like kings. It was just beautiful. And we left her there. And we left her there thinking and knowing for sure that she was going to be so happy with that amazing family. For the past year, we've been in touch with them. They've sent us pictures, they've sent us videos. We have seen her evolving. We have seen her putting on weight, losing some weight, looking happy, running, meeting other dogs. I mean, really amazing. Until last week, the family decided to come over to Valencia to meet us, for us to see how Bonita was doing and just to film this update. Have a look at this. This is Bonita.
Buenas.
Hola.
Buenos días. ¿Cómo ha ido el viaje?
Bien, ¿qué
¿Has
tal?
estado en Jairo, hermano de Iván?
Ya, te he visto en los vídeos.
Muy bien.
¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo estamos? Bienvenidos. ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo estamos? Pero bueno, que no te acuerdas de nosotros, ¿no te acuerdas de nosotros?
Ven, cariño, ven.
¡Qué bien está! Enhorabuena, es algo excelente. La medicina del amor que la dais vosotros.
Yo qué sé.
Esa es la clave.
Coge unas carreras.
Unas
Qué
carreras,
bien.
corre como una...
¿Estáis
Mira,
felices con Bonita?
Sí.
Ay, pues yo creo que la tuvimos casi 3 meses, ¿puede ser? ¿O?
Algo así, más o menos. Posiblemente.
Sí,
Le ha
increíble.
costado muchísimo coger confianza en casa.
Claro,
Mucho.
claro.
Llevaba más de 6 meses y seguía sin fiarse. Y yo decía, fíjate lo que dice Juan, el etólogo, no.
Claro.
Lo de las 3 días, 3 semanas, no.
Ya me lo comentó un doctor que dice, hay de una familia ideal, esto va a ser un éxito. Y efectivamente así ha sido.
Sí.
Eso de los 3 días, 3 semanas, 3 meses para perros normales,
Normales.
pero que no han pasado lo que han
Pero
pasado.
ella no. O sea, para poderla bañar, porque claro, yo la baño todos los meses. En la sujeta,
Qué bien.
yo la enjabono, al principio la toalla en secarla. A
No
esta
sabes
no
la
la
alegría que nos da conoceros y ver a Bonita.
Tenía yo muchas ganas de verte. Yo
Claro,
digo, madre mía, qué ganas tengo de
claro,
conocerle.
sí. Mira Bonita.
Ya la he visto ya. Yo veo los vídeos que me manda Dorothy y de mira Bonita por la playa. Disfrutando.
Hola.
¿Cómo estamos? Muy bien. ¡Ay, qué guapos os veo!
Mira, ya te va oliendo. Arrímate allá para que...
Ya te va oliendo, ¿ves?
Ay,
Si haces ella huele. Ella en casa está conmigo, a todos los lados va conmigo, duerme a mi lado, todo eso, pero luego a la hora de jugar, a la hora de si tiene miedo, es él.
¿Y qué tal todo? ¿Qué tal las patas? ¿Todo bien?
Bueno, mira, da unos brincos, no hay
Como
manera
si
de
nada.
sujetarla. Bonnie empieza a correr cuando le dan los nervios, cuando se pone contenta, pega unos saltos tremendos.
Qué maravilla, oye.
Los escalones de 3 en 3 en casa. O sea que ya.
Bueno, pues nada, me despido de vosotros. Muchísimas gracias.
Nada, me alegro muchísimo.
Feliz Navidad para vosotros.
Lo mismo digo, feliz Navidad.
Encantado, gracias por la visita.
Ya, cariño. No es nada, te lo he hecho yo. No es nada. Es un regalito de navideño.
Pues yo traeré los míos en enero.
Bueno, pero que no es
Cuando
nada,
venga
de
a veros.
verdad, que lo he hecho yo, que es una chorrada. Ya lo verás. Que no
Ay,
es
por
nada.
favor, ¿lo has hecho tú?
Una chorradita.
¡Es chulísimo!
Yo que estoy todo el día haciendo chorradas de estas, entonces.
Adiós.
Hasta luego.
Buen viaje.
Y feliz Navidad.
Lo mismo digo.
Buenas fiestas.
¿Os apetece que vayamos a almorzar?
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belts. Drinking hot wine by the fire.
¿Sentaditas?
Don't care of anything else.
Qué buena es mi niña. Hola, Iván.
Hola, buenos días.
Mira, como tú estás malito, que yo también, pero he venido. Te lo estás perdiendo.
I pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.
Bonita's story is one that starts with abuse and neglect, and then, because of love, turns into a beautiful redemption. A dog that had nothing, that experienced nothing, no kindness, nothing, now lives with the most beautiful family, and she's so happy. She still has some issues that will probably never leave her. But come on, she is the happiest dog in the world. I tell you, and the luckiest. Guys, thank you very much for being here. Thanks for your support. Many of you have been asking for an update on Bonita, and here she is. I hope you're happy. It was worth it. Guys, thank you very much for being here. Thanks for your help. And don't forget that I truly depend on your support. Everything I do is, I rely on my friends. I rely on my support group. So I would like to invite you, if you can, to join me on my support group on Patreon. It's super easy. You select the level of support that you can give me and join me there. Please join, because without you, everything is much more difficult. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.
It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.